Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Jun Rodriguez from Masagre Channel, a faith healer o Zomatoider. So, ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-iisip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Leo? So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give information po. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? Angel Spirit, please give information po. Oh, this is something, the full card. A leaf of faith. No? This is something in process. No? Nasa tamang proseso ka na. So, may mga bagay na pinoproseso na. No? At kumbaga sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo kung hanggang sa kakakapit. No? Kumbaga may mga bagay dito napakatagal-tagal na. Pero sinasabi na gano'n mang katagal, gano'n mang kabagal, no? Pero darating at darating pa rin. This is a Two of Pentacles with a balance. Maging balanse ka lang, no? Emotional, practical, physical. Kailangan, kumbaga, maging kalmado ka sa lahat ng eksena na to. Na napakalapit mo na sa sitwasyon na gusto mong mangyari. This is a Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Unti-unti mong makikita. Or malayo pa lang, kitang-kita mo na yung magiging posibilidad na magaganap. And this is something, a Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. May mga bagay na maaring magdala sa'yo ng financial windfall. But, this is a Five of Wands, something complication or competitions. No? May mga bagay na nagsisilbing komplikasyon or may mga bagay dito na kumakalaban, no? Or kumbaga gumagawa ng eksena para hindi mo makuha yung opportunity dito. This is the Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. No? Bibilis sa takbo ng eksena. This is something, lot of messages, phone call, and of course email. And this is a travel, guys. May travel din dito. And the full card represent the temperance, see, the perfect timing. So, tamang proseso talaga na, kumbaga, nandun ka talaga sa eksena na tamang proseso, no? Kumbaga, pina-process na tong eksena na to. This is the perfect timing for you. And this is a Seven of Cups by there is a confusion, no? Kumbaga, pinipilit kang linlangin para mawala ka sa balance. Pinipilit kang guluhin para maano ka, no? Mabalian ka ng eksena, no? This is the Queen of Swords. Represent the strength card. Lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo, lakasan mo ang loob mo, no? Have confidence sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. The Nine of Pentacles represent the Six of Swords with the transition, na makakaalis ka na rin sa situation. Unti-unti ka na makakabangon at unti-unti ka na makakalaya, no? Pagdating sa financial crisis. And this is something, the word can represent the word of success, travel, and recognitions, and requires a promotion and victory, no? Kumaga marami mang taong kumakalaban sa'yo, marami mang taong gumagawa ng eksena. But eventually, guys, no, ipapanalo mo to. No? Ang pag-ikot ng mundo at pag-ikot ng kapalaran ay papamura sa'yo. And the Eight of Wands represent the Four of Pentacles. So this is something saving money, no? Kailangan magtipid, mag-imbak, mag-ipon, no? Kumbaga, this is something a fast movement, no? Bibilis ang takbo ng eksena na to. Kumbaga, nasa sayo, no? Kung paano mo pababaguhin ang mundong ginagalawan mo. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-ipon, hindi ka marunong mag-imbak, walang mangyayari sa buhay mo. This is something, the full card in the temperance represent the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not because of your actions. That's not because of your thoughts at the same time your mouth, char. Kumbaga yung bunganga kasi natin minsan, kumbaga imbis na makuha natin yung opportunity na, kumbaga dahil sa excitement natin, no? Kumbaga nakukwento natin sa ibang tao, no? Hindi naman lahat dapat ng tao pinagkukwento mo, lalo-lalo na may mga taong naiinggit behind your back, no? But eventually guys, this is something in perfect timing. Magkaroon man ng delays or something postponed, but eventually it comes your way pa rin. So let's see what is the Two of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles. So this is the Six of Cups for something, a remnants, no? Or either a past person. No? Mayroon talaga ng gugulo talaga dito, no? Kumbaga nililin lang ka nito. It's either a friend of yours, family-related, ex, no? Or either of surroundings, no? Environment. The Queen of Swords and the Strength card represent what? Represents the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Kumbaga mabagal man ang eksena na to, pero sinisigurado unti-unti mo nang masisilayan ang pagbabago. Basta wag mo lang alisin ang kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. And of course, the Nine of Pentacles and the Six of Swords represent the Two of Cups with a partnership, unconditional love, no? Kumbaga the more na minamahal nyo ang isa't isa, the more kayo nagsasuccess together. The Five of Wands because the World card represent what? Represent the Three of Swords. Is there's a lot of insecurities. Maraming tao na iinggit. Maraming tao nasasaktan sa successful na natatamo mo. The Eight of Wands because the Four of Pentacles represent the Eight of Pentacles. So see, mag-focus ka, being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. Now, this is something hardworking, workaholic, but eventually, guys, kumbaga mali ka sa pag-manage, no? Or paano mali ka paano mo paikutin or i-manage yung finances mo. Eventually, your salary. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is something, the King of Wands. So, something vision. No? Tingnan mo yung magiging posibilidad. Maging matalino at maging mapagmatsyag. This is something in intuition, prediction, vibrations. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo kasi kahit na alam mo, sabi mo, okay lang yan. Kumbaga, deserve ko naman to, gato, ganyan. Kumbaga, hayaan mo na sa susunod, gato, ganyan. Kumbaga, di ba, marunong ka dapat, kumbaga, tanggapin yung pinapasok sa inner voice, sinasabi ng inner voice mo, or sinasabi ng isipan mo. No? Marami pumapasok sa intuition sa iyo, but ini-ignore mo. At the same time, this is something, the Knight of Pentacles with a security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Additional messages pagdating sa career. And there's a Page of Wands by good news. And the Ace of Pentacles with a big money and big opportunities coming in for you. This is something a big break, no? A big break, you know why? This is something a Page of Wands by magandang balita, no? Magandang balita na magdadala sa'yo ng malaking oportunidad, no? At malaking grasya. Pero kung sinasabi dito, this is something the Devil card. Mag-ingat ka lang, no? May tuso, no? May tukso, may tuso, may susubok na sirain, no, ang iyong pag-unlad. Ibig sabihin nito, may humaharang, no? Nandun na yung parang parating na sa iyo yung opportunity, pero may, 'di ba, may humahad lang. This is a lot of blockages, no? Na kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries. Additional messages pagdating sa love life. This is a Ten of Pentacles with a long term, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang relasyon, pangmatagalang pag-ibig. And kung sinasabi dito with the Page of Swords, no, this is satisfying looking, watching at you. May sumusubaybay sa'yo talaga. I think this is insecurities of your person, or either it's an ex or family related. See, this is something a Six of Wands for victory is yours. Pero mapagtatagumpayan mo daw. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health, there's the Hangman. Lutang ka. The Hangman is something lutang. Kumbaga, balisa ka. And this is something that Two of Wands ba? See, magulo utak mo. Choices. And the King of Cups. Mayroon talagang gumagayuma talaga. May naggagayuma sa person mo o sa'yo. So, let's see. Additional messages with the synchronicities. For synchronicities, let's see. Intuition, I told you. So, this is something intuitions, no? Patalasin mo ang iyong kaisipan ng iyong mata, no? Nakikita mo na nagbubulag-bulaga ka lang. This is something spring. This is something blossoming. May paglago talaga. This is something very, kailangan mo maging matapang. No, this is something friends charming. Mas bata sa person mo o mas bata ka sa person mo. Diba? Ang hot. Shut up, char. So, let's see what is the Romance Angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And of course, represent a single, not in relationship, no? Kumaga meron ditong single, guys. And this is something finances. Talagang konektado ang about sa finances and career mo. And this is something peace. Magkakaroon ka na kapayapaan at kalayaan, no? So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Represent vegetarian. So, see, kumbaga, fruit and vegetables, guys, kailangan nyo. And be yourself. Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo, ha? Kung ano lang yung mga bagay na meron ka, yun lang, no? Iwasan mo magpanggap, magyabang, no? Umutang. Kung alam mong hindi mo kaya, iwasan mo. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. And limitation. Kumbaga, bigyan mo ng limit yung takot mo sa sarili mo, takot mo sa ibang tao, takot mo sa paligid mo. And there's an ego, pride, no? Vanity, bisyo, no? Alisin mo yan yung mga bisyo. And this is something, divine intervention, may paalala sa iyo ang divine. And there's a nurture. Now, pagdating sa pag-ibig, kumbaga, walastik, talagang, diba, kumbaga, iba yung pag-ibig talaga pag ikaw talaga eksena ganon. Diba? Iba yung pagmamahal mo eh. Iba yung hagod mo, ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Represents culmination with the happiness. Ooh. Full moon. And this is something water with emotions. No, maging emotional ka this time. And this is something trust. No, kailangan mo magtiwala at maging totoo. And this is something psychic ability. So, I told you. So, may intuition ka talaga, no? May kakayanan ka. This is something inner voice. And this is something intuitions, predictions. Additional Archangel Michael, innocence. Meron talagang innocent ka. May mga bagay na parang hindi mo palubos nalalaman. Or maaring nagsusunga-sungahan ka lang. Or kailangan kumagabuksan ng isip mo na sa paligid mo na yung sagot. My God. And there's a self-respect, no? Kailangan mo respeto sa sarili mo. And there's a lean on God and angel support. So, nandito ang ating Panginoon sinusupport, ginagabayan ka daw. For chakra messages, represent what? For the chakra, represent self-worth, no? Dapat alam sa sarili mo yung halaga mo. And this is something perfections, no? Kumbaga, kailangan naka-line up, kailangan ayusin mo yung mga bagay na inahain sa'yo, no? Yung mga bagay na nakikita mo sa paligid mo, ayusin mo, no? Huwag mong guluhin yung utak mo. What is an angel's answer? Ask for help from others. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao. And at the same time, this is a look for a sign. Kailangan mo ng senyales, no? This is something sign. May senyales ang ating angel spirit na you need to pay attention. And if you believe, na basta naniniwala ka sa mensahe, sa gabay, no, makukuha mo at makakamtan mo what you deserve. For the energy, and there's a cornucopia, the whole clarification, guys, ha. This is something veggies. Kailangan mo talaga ng fruit and vegetables. And happy family. Magiging masaya ka din naman ng pamilya mo. And there's a thinking woman na meron ditong overthinking, yung babae paranoid. It's either you or your person. For romance angel, surface in what? Healing family issues. Meron talagang family issues dito. It's either hindi ka tanggap ng pamilya or hindi tanggap yung person mo ng pamilya mo. And this is something forgiving and learning. No? Kailangan mo nang matuto at malaman. No? Pagpatawad. So, kumbaga magpatawad ka pero wag ka na ulit magpapabudol pa. No? Wag ka magpapauto, wag ka magpapaniwala ulit. Matuto ka na learning. So, matuto ka na forgiving, magpatawad, diba? Basta nagpatawad ka, matuto ka, wag ka na ulit magpasyunga-syunga. Charis. And this is support. No? This is support by guidance. Sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit. And this is something strength card. Maging malakas ang loob, maging matibay. Diba? Bigyan ng kumpiyansa sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Kato ganyan, binibigay ito sa'yo. Kasi may maganda opportunity. Or kaya ito binigay sa'yo kasi siya pa talaga yung para sa'yo. Kato ganyan. And of course, this is something change na unti-unti na mababago ang buhay mo. And this is something freedom. Papalayain mo na ang lungkot, palalayain mo na yung sakit, ang hirap, at ang paghihirap. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Represent massage. No? Kailangan mo ng massage. Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. And what are your guidance? So this is something rest. So kailangan mo talaga ng pahinga. Masyado ka over fatigue. No, kumbaga, kaya ka nag-overthink or kaya ka paranoid. And of course, with the hater, with the deaf love. Na malalim talaga yung pag-ibig dito. Let's see what is the romance angels for Montology. Get more information. This is a prosperity lies ahead. So, ibig sabihin dito talagang, di ba nakalain na talaga yung ang kasaganahan talaga sa'yo. And there's a meditate and contemplate. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate, guys, para masagot yung mga katanungan mo. More ang pinapasok to sa panaginip mo. And this is a personal issue reaches resolution. No, yung personal na problema mo ay maaaring masagot na. Masolusyonan na. So, Jesus' loving quote said, heal the sick that they're in say out of the dam. The King of God is coming to you. So, pagagalingin daw ng ating Panginoon yung mga sugat, paghihirap at sakripisyo pinagdaanan mo. No, bago niya ipakita sa iyo kung ano talagang plano ng ating Panginoon. No, may mga bagay na inilalatag sa iyo, kumbaga gusto niya lang proteksyonan at pangalagaan ka. At ilayo, no, sa mga bagay na akala mo yun na yun. For the angels number represent what? 23 for endless cycle. Oh. Ang walang katapusang eksena, no? There's some truth you're resistant to accept over and over again until you try to restrain beyond depressions. You take decision to live life for your life. Life is all about passion. Then you make change and the world around you follows. So see, kung babaguhin mo ang nakasanayan mo, kung babaguhin mo yung galawan mo, mababago mo ang landas na tatahakin mo. Ganon. So let's see what is the messages of life. Overcoming. So see, ang pagtanggap, ito na. Today, it is this a great school of life. I practice self-discovery by acknowledging my fear. Anger and ego separates me from my divinity. I allow the light to grow inside me. The light gives me the power reign over the kingdom of God. Today, I over all that separates from my light. That is my truest potential. So see, kumbaga nilalayo ka talaga sa mga bagay na alam niya makakasama sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na hindi magandang kalalagyan mo. So guys, magtiwala ha na kaya nangyayari to. It's a God protections. And of course, it's a God purpose, no? So guys, this is a monthly guide for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading. Lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawa pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-lig-lig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!